असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय. Now exercise 11.4 problem number 1. So in the problem number 1 we are having again 3 bits ma. So we are going to solve these 3 bits by using not only 3 bits, this exercise 11.4 we can solve by using trigonometric identities, okay, as well as previous exercise concepts, okay, right. Look at here, given question 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta, this we have to evaluate here, okay, right. So here tan we can write sin theta by cos theta, sec theta we can write 1 by cos theta, and cot theta we can write cos theta by sin theta, and cosec theta we can write 1 by sin theta, isn't it? Right. Now I am replacing the values in the given question. So 1 plus sin theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta, next 1 plus cos theta by sin theta minus 1 by sin theta, okay, right. Now add these trigonometric equations here. What becomes more? Cos theta is the LCM, okay. So what becomes? Here it is 1. So in one table cos theta comes at cos theta times. It means 1 into cos theta plus cos is already present here. That is why simply we can write sin theta plus cos already present here. That is why I am taking directly 1. Okay. Coming to this, LCM is sin theta. Here it is 1. So 1 sin theta times sin theta, isn't it? So sin theta into 1 plus sin already present here. Simply we can write cos theta. Here also sin already present here. What becomes more? It is 1. Okay, right. So what becomes? Cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 by cos theta. Next cos theta plus sin theta minus 1 by sin theta, okay. So make this as 1 and this as 1, okay, right ma. So here next what we do ma? Multiply the both the products. What becomes ma? Cos theta plus sin theta minus 1 cos theta plus sin theta plus 1, isn't it? Or we can, this is plus 1 and this one is minus, okay. What becomes more? Cos theta into sin theta, isn't it? Right. So here this look like a plus b into a minus b, where a equals to cos theta plus sin theta, b equals to 1. So what is the formula? A plus b into a minus b. What is that? A square minus b square. So in place of a we are having cos theta plus sin theta. In place of b we are having 1. Okay. Replace that values. What becomes more? According to this algebraic identity, we can write cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus 1 square by sin theta into cos theta, okay. This we can write sin theta into cos theta or cos theta into sin theta, okay, no problem, right. The next step what becomes ma? So it is cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 into sin theta into cos theta minus 1 by sin theta into cos theta, okay. So I think you get the idea about up to here, right. Now I am going to erase this ma. Right. So we have an identity. What is that, ma? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. We are having identity, isn't it? This we can write. Cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to 1 also. No problem. Okay. Right. So replace this value here. Okay. So what it becomes now? By using this identity, this becomes, in place of cos square theta plus sin square theta, I am writing 1 ma. Okay. 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 by sin theta into cos theta. Minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. What is the remaining, ma? 2 sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. Okay. And these two gets cancelled. So what is the remaining now? 2 is the final answer. Okay. Right. So what is the value of given question? 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta is equals to 2 is the answer. Right. This is about first problem, first bit. Now first question, second bit ma. So given question is sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. Okay. This we can evaluate here. So if you observe closely here, so we are having one identities. A plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and one more is a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So here given question are in the form of this or not? Look at carefully, ma. So this one is in a plus b whole square and this one is a minus b whole square formula. Okay. And apply the formula here. It becomes sin theta whole square plus cos theta whole square plus 2 into sin theta into cos theta, close the bracket, plus this one sin theta whole square plus cos theta whole square minus 2 sin theta into cos theta. Okay. Right. Close the bracket again. So this we can write sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus this one sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta, isn't it? So look at here, 2 sin theta cos theta having plus sign and 2 sin theta cos theta having minus sign. So these two gets cancel here. Okay. So what are remaining here? Sin square theta, sin square theta. So 2 sin square theta, or you can write one more step, sin square theta plus sin square theta plus cos square theta plus cos square theta. So what becomes, ma? 2 sin square theta plus 2 cos square theta. Take 2 common. What becomes? Sin square theta plus cos square theta, isn't it? Right. We are having one identity. What is that, ma? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1 is the identity. Okay. Right. So by this identity we can write here 1. 2 into 1 it becomes 2 is the final answer. Okay. Right. This is the first bit, second question. Right. So first bit, third one ma. Look at here. Right. So we are having one identity ma. What is that? Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. And one more identity. What is that? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. By using these two identities, I am going to simplify this. Okay. Right. So look at here ma. By this identity, secant square theta is equals to 1 plus tan squared theta, isn't it? I am transposing this 1 LHS side, what becomes more? Secant square theta minus 1, that is equals to tan square theta. Okay, consider it is equation 1. Next, coming to this. So cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1 plus cot square theta, isn't it? Right. So, and bring this 1 to LHS side, what becomes? Cosec square theta minus 1 equals to cot square theta, isn't it? So it is equation 2. By using equation 1 and equation 2, I am going to simplify this. So what is the question given? Secant square theta minus 1, cosec square theta minus 1. Okay. So in place of secant square theta minus 1, we can replace tan square theta, isn't it? Right. So in place of cosec square theta minus 1, we can replace cot square theta. Is that right or not? Yes. So secant square theta minus 1 and cosec square theta minus 1. So by using equation 1 and 2, tan square theta into cot square theta. Okay, right. So by using equation 1 and 2, it becomes tan square theta into cot square theta, isn't it? Right. The next step, so tan square theta as it is into between the two trigonometric ratios, we are having multiplication symbol. Okay, right. So this cot square theta becomes 1 by tan square theta, because cot theta is equals to 1 by tan theta, isn't it? Right. So by using this, I am writing here 1 by tan square theta. This tan square theta getting cancelled. 1 into 1, nothing but 1 is the final answer. Okay. So secant square theta minus 1 into cosec square theta minus 1 is equals to 1 is the final answer. Okay, right now.